Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a Skibidi toilet in Infinity-Craft. So let us begin. Grab some water and fire and combine them, you have a steam. Now take water and you have a cloud. Now combine cloud with cloud, you have a rain. Now combine rain and rain, you have a rainbow. Now take water, combine it with earth, you have a plant. Now wind and combine with a plant. Now water the plant and you have a wine. Combine by water and you have holy water. Now combining another wine and you have a Catholic church. Now combining with a rainbow, you have a gay. Now dandelion, plant, make a wheat. Now combining with a wine, a hangover. Combine hangover with water, and have a cure. Now combining with a straight. Sorry. Uh, Now combine again with a gay, and you have a bi. Now combine two of those. You have a D. Now combine with water. Yes, so no, sorry. My water, and you have a lake. Then we have another water, and you have an ocean. Now take a earth and combine it with another earth. You have a mountain. Now put ocean and mountain together, and you have an island. Now get another earth, fire on it, and you have a lava. Now put another fire on it. A volcano. Combine volcano and island. And you have a Hawaii. Now take an island. Combine it with another island. You have a continent. Now combine it with a lake. And you have America. Combine it with Hawaii. Then another America. And you have a change. Now take an ocean. Combine it with another ocean. And you have a sea. Now take America again. And combine it with a continent. I have North America. Portrait, and you have Canada. Combine Canada with a C. A change. You have a B. A D. Now combine the D with. Now take another bit. There's a D here. D there. Combine with a B. Bit again. Now add a B to it. BDB. Now take a mountain. Then avalanche. Combine them and with snow. Take a lake. Combine it with a mountain. Fjord. Now combine the fjord with a snow and with iceberg. Now take a fjord and mountain. That's here. Now iceberg, mountain, tree. Now take a fjord and mountain, Norway. Now add snow to it. A ski. Combine it with Skibidi. Now take a plant and to create a tree. River. Curve to create a delta. Take another river. Tree. Paper. Now combine paper with paper and you have a book. Combine with a delta, you have an alphabet. Now combine alphabet with alphabet. A word. Now combine with a mountain to have a month. Now take a mountain and combine it with a lake. Now you have fjord again. Now take a water and water it. A whale. Of wind to create a dust. Now combine with a whale. Yes. Now take America and water it. And you have freedom. Now water it again. And you have slavery. Now make it America again. And you have civil war. Now make it America again. You have Lincoln. America again. Now combine with sperm. I will pin. Now combine with a month. A lava. Water to create stone. Now take another lava to create obsidian. Now use a stone to make blade. Now combine Blade and stone. X. Stone to make that. Finally, a talking head. Now take wheat. Dust. Dust. Now take a plant. Water it. Bomb. Now plant it again. Fly trap. Combine it with a clean toilet. Now combine it with a talking head or a talking toilet. Now combine them. Here it is. So, it was too long and too painful to make. So, goodbye.